Google new update humming feature on your Android or iOS. So hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you the latest updated feature of Google, that is humming feature. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to update your Google from App Store or Google Play Store. So after updating the Google app, what you need to do here, I'm gonna show you. So let me just say you or explain you what is humming feature. Humming features is the features that, example, if you are singing a song and you don't know the name, you don't know the title of the song, or you don't know the artist of the song, but you just know the middle part, that the chorus part of the song, and you want to know the title and the artist of the song. So it's very pretty simple. For now, Google had just released a humming feature for the user to, it's very easy and simple to get the details of the song. So let me just show you. After updating this, it's on an installing process. I have successfully updated. So well, let's wait. So guys, it's done. So let me just open this, and here you can see this type of interface will pop up. Now this is the updated. So here guys, you can see here there is a microphone. So what you have to do, just simply you have to tap here. So guys, you can see here I have successfully got the memory song. It's from Aaron 5. You can see here the first one. So you can use like this, and if you want to try another song, simply click on try again, and it's pretty simple. So I hope this video is pretty good for you and helpful for you to search a song.